Also, the lights will be dimming down, so please remain seated where you're at. And again, if you are on that seafloor, make sure you stay inside that solid blue area and not in those wavy, stripy parts. Yeah, those wavy, stripy areas, we like to call that a fire hazard. Because if I step on you, I get fired. I consider that a hazard. So yeah, make sure you're only inside that solid blue. Now this next part, we're gonna call it the moonfish, so coming out, boys, and please help me tell everyone to put away their food, seal away those drinks, refrain from smoking, and pictures are allowed. Just make sure you turn off the light and the flash. With the flash, everyone give a round of applause for the moonfish. All right, now Crush is swimming around. He said when you're ready to go to shout out his name. So on the count of 3, we're gonna shout out, "Hey Crush." 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Crush!
Huh? Somebody call my name? Oh, dude, hey, check it out. We've got some humans hanging around. Sweet. Oh, human dudes! Oh, hey, dude! Hey, is that Carlos right over there?
Sure is, Crush Man.
Oh, bro, hey, I totally want to make contact. Hey, let's totally start off right over here. There's this dudette over kind of like by the top corner. She's got like a light, long, sleevey, flowy shell. Oh, hi, what's your name, dude?
Jordan.
Oh, totally nice to meet you. Hey, Jordan, I'm going to give you a turtle name. I'm going to call you Jamaica Jordan. Hey, now that you've got a turtle name, do you know how to talk like a turtle? Oh, no worries, dude. I'll totally teach you how. Hey, Jordan, can you say totally? She's in a conference right now. Say totally? Seems like a hard pass right now. Okay. Well, let's hop around, humans. Everybody say totally.
Totally.
Everybody say sweet.
Sweet.
Now everybody put both of those words together and say totally sweet.
Totally sweet.
Yeah, you did it. Rock on, human dudes. Dude, you're all talking turtle, man. You're like bilingual. Well, hey, humans, check it out. I am totally a sea turtle on a mission right now. My little dude Squirt, he wants to know all about you dudes. So I'm totally here to soak up some knowledge and take it back to my offspring. Do you dudes think you can help me out? If that sounds like fun, say cha.
Cha.
All right, dude, on to Squirt's question numero uno. Squirt wants to know if any of you humans out there like to swim like us turtles. Who likes to swim? Raise your fin if you know how to swim. Okay. Oh, dude, let's go right over here on this side. Totally first row, first noggin, dude.
You got it.
Oh, hi, what's your name?
Oh, Candace.
Oh, nice to meet you, cool Candace. Hey, you should have seen your face when I picked you. Bro, you were like, Candace, dude, are you like totally freaking out right now?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, do not be afraid, okay? I come in peace, bro. Hey, Candace, I can't help but notice it kind of looks like you're munching on something right there, dude.
Oh,
What is that?
I have gum.
What is gum?
It's minty, this chewy thing you put in your mouth.
Wait, so is it like food? Do you eat it?
No, you just chew it.
Something you chew, yet you do not eat. It sounds like a Chinese riddle. Well, like, what do you do with gum then?
And you just keep chewing it until it runs out of flavor and you spit it out.
Can you do anything like cool with it?
Me can blow a bubble.
Show me.
Oh.
Take your time.
I don't think I can do it. I chewed it too long.
Oh, that's okay. I just really wanted to see a bubble blown, that's all, you know?
Ah, Crush.
Oh. No gum required for that one, dude. Hey, Candace, dude, do you ever go like swimming or surfing like me?
I'll swim, I don't surf.
Oh, okay, well, when you go swimming, do you like to go like fast or do you take it like nice and easy?
Nice and easy.
Oh, I can see you now, bro. Just kind of flip up on the shell, kind of close the eyes, and just be like, dude, I'm Candace. I've got bubble gum. Are you kind of like that, dude?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Hey, but you know what? When you live down here in the big old blue like me, sometimes you totally gotta rip it, roll it, and punch it, dude. Hey, humans, you dudes want to see how fast the Crush Band can swim? Say chaw. Chaw. All right, dudes, I'm totally getting my motor ready. I want you dudes to check this out. I'm gonna break that turtle speed record. All right, here I come. Right, Chad. Oh, I fell.
Hey, Crush, watch out for the glass.
Oh, yeah, thanks, Hank. Hey, where'd he go? Hey, you dude saw that, right? Dude, that is totally messing with my noggin, man. Hey, humans, I'm totally doing like all the talking. Hey, did any of you humans have any questions for me? Totally raise your fins. I like talking to everybody, even you adults too. Totally do not.
Hey, Crush,
Huh?
that kid up front has a question.
Oh, hey, thanks, Hank, dude. Yeah, let's get right here. You totally first round first noggin.
You got it.
Oh, hey, what's your name, bro?
Jennings.
Oh, nice to meet you, Jamaican Jennings. Hey, what was your question, dude?
How much eggs did you have?
Like me personally?
Yes.
0? Yeah, dude, it's the mama sea turtles. There's the one that lays the eggs, dude. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The mama sea turtles, when they lay the eggs, they can lay up to 100 eggs at a time. Then she totally buries the little dudes, and then like 2 moons later, coo-coo-ca-choo, they find their way back to the big old blue. Oh, but dudes, this is the really cool part right here. If she buries the eggs in the cold sand, they totally hatch all boys. But if she buries the eggs in the warmer sand, they totally hatch all girls. Yeah, that's why we say dudes are totally cool and chicks are totally hot! It's totally true, dude. Yeah, you can look it up. Yeah. Yeah, so like I was saying, like I've got about 65 kids, but like there's some like turtle families with like 100 babies, maybe even like 200 babies sometimes. Well, do you know how many babies are in most human families, dude?
I mean, Florida too.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Carlos was telling me about the record holder amongst you human dudes. I think his name is Nick Cannon. That dude is wilding out, man. Hey, he's totally cool talking with you, bro. Oh, hey, let's just go one noggin over. That little grandma's got her flipper up. Oh, hi, what's your name?
Jones.
Oh, nice to meet you, Jamaica Jones. Hey, what's your question, dude?
Have you ever got attacked by a shark?
Oh, I have, dude. Yeah, dude, those tiger sharks, man, they're like always chasing us around trying to eat us, dude. It is no bueno, man. But not all sharks are bad. Like my friends Bruce, Anchor, and Chum, they've got this really cool 12-step program. It's totally changing lives. Yeah, their motto is fish are friends, not food. And they totally added turtles to that, yeah. Hey, have you ever been like chased by a shark before?
Do you know where they were at?
Like right now? They might be having like one of their meetings right now. What is it? Do you want to like join them or something?
Sure.
Oh wow, okay. You want that fast track life? Okay. You know what? Let me see if I can get you a pamphlet first, and then we'll just go from there, okay, dude? But I'm totally willing to sponsor you.
Oh.
Hey, what's up, Jelly Man?
Hello, Crush. I'm trying to get away from a
A turtle pile. Oh, dude, you want to get into a turtle pile. Everybody, shout out turtle pile!
No, please, I just can't believe the turtle pile.
Too simple, the EAC, dudes!
Thanks a lot, Crush.
Oh, for what, Jillian?
The turtle pile?
Oh, everybody say it again!
No!
And good luck feeding the fishes! Hey, who else has got a question for me? Totally raise those fits. Hey, Carlos, dude, let's go over here on this side. Sub-level, over on the far end at the top, there's a dude with a green and blue kind of two-tone shell. Let's talk to him. Hey, what's your name, dude?
Paxton.
Oh, dude, Pacific Paxton. Oh, what's your question, man?
What's your favorite Disneyland ride?
I mean, I don't know what a Disneyland is, but my favorite ride is right back over there. That's called the EAC. Dude, there's no tastier ride than the EAC. There's a couple of them. There's the East Australian Current, and then there's that one back over there. That one's called the East Anaheim Current, dude. It rocks. Hey, what about you, dude? Like, what's your favorite ride?
A roller coaster.
Oh, that sounds pretty cool, dude. You said something about Disneyland, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, un momento, por favor, dude. Hey, Paxton, dude, I found this thing you kind of floating around the other day. Hey, does this dude come from the Disneyland?
Maybe.
Oh, okay. I'm a bit confused because it says Disney right there on his behind. Right next to Rancho in Mexico. Well, do you know what his name is?
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear. Hey, does he do anything cool?
Yeah. He
Oh,
can
like, what does he
fly.
do?
He can fly.
Wait, really? Oh, okay. Hey, Buzz, fly, dude! Whoa, dude, that was awesome! Hey, you're not gonna believe this. He was talking to me the other day. Like, I accidentally pushed one of those buttons on him, and he was going on like, I don't really know what that means, and he doesn't say it anymore. Oh, hey, do you think if I gave this to my son Squirt, do you think he'd like it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, thanks for your help, bro. Hey, you human dudes are really cool to talk to. I'm like totally soaking up some water. Huh? Oh, dude, it's Bailey! Hey, humans, let's call him out. Hey, everybody go.
Crush! Hey!
Hey, what's up, Bailey, dude?
Oh my goodness, funny looking humans, huh?
Huh? Oh, Bailey, dude, they can totally hear you, bro.
No, they can't. Watch this. Hi, humans.
See?
Oh, okay. Why didn't you tell me?
Why, I was, but then you were
Wait.
like,
Ooh, I'm getting something.
Oh, what is it, dude?
Ooh, wow. Every human in the seats has a shiny rectangle that lights up. That's weird.
Shell phones.
Later, Crush.
Later, Bailey! Oh, hey, humans! Bailey was working on his echolocation.
EAC!
Oh.
EAC!
Hey, Squirty!
Dad, come on! Time to ride the EAC, dude!
Curl away, my son! Oh, hey, humans. Amelia calls. Hey, I totally got it, chat. But before I go, let me leave you all with this. Humans, fish are friends, not food. All right, I'll catch you dudes later. Remember, you so totally rock.
Dude, give a round of applause for Crush, everyone. Bye, Crush. All right, friends, the exit doors are now open. Thank you so much for joining us, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Disney California Adventure. Bye, everyone. Bye. Thanks for coming. Have